In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can see your Facebook story archives. You can simply see your previous photos and videos you have ever posted on your Facebook story in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Facebook. On your home page, tap on the menus icon. You will then click on your profile right here. On your profile page, tap on these three dots right here. Then on your profile settings page, select the third option of Archive. To view your story archive, tap right here on Story Archive. You will see all posts you have ever posted to your story ever since you joined Facebook. You can select any story. Tap on these three lines to either save this story to your gallery or delete it from your archive. That's how easy it is to see your Facebook story archives. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.